Good morning, friends. It's Michelle in real time. While I was putting this video together, I realized that it was only a month ago that we were doing all these carefree things like going to museums, having grandma come visit, all these things that aren't really possible right now. So while it's weird to watch the video, I wanted to share it with you anyway with the hopes that it'll brighten your day. Now back to the past. Zoop! This has become our weekday routine. I drop the big girls off at drop-in preschool. It's called Kids Park. Olive's not old enough to go to Kids Park, so Olive and I go to the YMCA, which I just became a member of nationally, so I can go to other YMCAs. I drop her off for 2 hours, and then I get 2 hours to either work out or work on my computer. And that's our weekday routine. There's this storage room at the YMCA that's really big, and they've let me use it as my personal office, so that's pretty cool. So I can work on YouTube stuff in here for a couple hours while Olive plays with her new friend Sky at the kids club. Her friend Sky opened the kids club door and she kicked out of my arms and ran into kids club so she could play. So it's a win-win for everybody. Well, Maple told me that she sees something in the RV on the floor by the door. So I went over to look and I see what she sees. Hey. So this is what Maple sees on the floor by the door. What do you think? Is Maple just seeing things? Hi. Well, Olive's growing so fast and she's been using her new bed for a couple of months now, but it's already time to move to the next step. So I got this big piece of foam. I'd like it to go all the way up to this carpet wall here. And maybe eventually we'll elongate the wood piece so the platform will go all the way to the carpet wall. But for now, all I'm gonna do is stick this log here. It's the same height pretty much. She won't know the difference and it will be stable enough for her to play on and crawl around on and sleep on. Well, I just made Olive a new bed. It's almost the same size as Lyndon and Maple's beds over here. It's a little bit thinner and a little bit shorter, but I'm using the same size bedding on top of Olive's new bed. So it's comparable to the big girls' beds. And underneath, there's one of our logs. We love these logs, as you know. Under there is my paper towels and my toilet paper. And worst case scenario, I can actually fit here with my head here. If I get too smushed in the morning, if everybody's kicking me and driving me crazy, I could curl up over there too. I could read over here, I could work on my laptop over here. We found another little nook in our Airstream that we didn't know we had. We're at Wildlife World in Litchfield, Arizona. It's like a zoo. It's got a ton of different types of wildlife. It's got a big zoo section, and on the other side it has an aquarium. And the aquarium's open until 7 p.m.
The otters are snuggling?
Yeah, Lyndon said those otters must be married.
Zebra!
You see a zebra?
Cool zebras, huh?
A kangaroo says, hop, hop. It does.
It does?
Yeah. Hi, Lexi.
Ball. Yeah, he has a ball. Ball.
What does a zebra say?
I don't know.
I don't know. Hey zebra, what do you say?
Maybe zebras are just quiet.
Oh, that would be nice. So we can play zebra at home sometimes. Wildlife World was pretty fun.
Olive, hug Grandma.
Oh, here he is.
Oh, yay! 3 of you. Oh, bye, Lyndon. I love you. I'm gonna miss you.
Bye-bye. We've been here in Phoenix for a few weeks. So we got to Phoenix with the intention of getting into a hotel so we could rest and recuperate and also do a bunch of work on the Airstream. That's our hotel. Here I am sitting on my bed. That's our hotel. Here I am sitting on my bed.
This stuff is amazing. This would be an amazing potting material.
He's been playing with that coconut core for about half an hour. I just cleaned the whole fridge, completely sterilized the whole fridge. So I've had the chance to completely clean and completely sanitize every little piece of the Airstream. I cleaned the junk drawer, I cleaned the shower, I've cleaned every little nook and cranny that you can imagine in this Airstream, everything that I can reach. Oh, here's a stink bug. No matter how much you refresh this place, there will always be at least one stink bug in here. All of us getting sick in the Airstream was really the kick in the pants we needed to vacate and to just do a complete refresh. Now the big girls are at Kids Park, so that's helped us be able to do a lot of these projects, but Olive's not big enough for Kids Park. You have to be 2. So Olive's with me all the time. So I'm just doing bits and pieces an hour and a half every day in the Airstream while Olive's sleeping in the car. What is that you got in the mail just now?
It's a new handle. It might just fit.
That's exciting.
It's not an authentic part, but it might work. Yeah, I think if I just unscrew this, it might just fit in.
Oh, that's the right direction, I think, to have the like lump on the lower side. Maybe that's just because I'm short. I would think that.
This might be, oh, it's loose, good.
All right, the moment of truth.
Okay.
Feels pretty good to me. I use it to lift myself up, usually with a baby in the baby carrier.
Yeah, so if it's not a good fit, then it's actually a safety hazard. Look, it's kind of hanging out. It could be like a little bit longer, I think would be better. We can try it for now, just with the understanding that you're careful.
Yeah, I'll be careful, but I definitely think it's worth trying. I mean, it feels okay to me.
Yeah.
Olive thinks you're really funny right now.
Yeah, I found toolboxes that fit perfectly in here. I can fit 4 of them, and then there'll still be room for this vacuum cleaner
in front. That's terrific. Look at those new teeth. You got some big teeth back there. Cheese. Show Papa. Yeah, so she's gonna have to have a job helping get ready for Maple's party because she just wishes it were her birthday too.
Of course, and she's gonna have her birthday too. Hi, Lyndon.
And Olive's over there playing on Lyndon's bed with an alligator. Lyndon, can you say hi?
Love you, Lyndon.
Can you give Grandpa a kiss? He loves you.
Oh, happy birthday.
Guess what I got?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
I'm gonna
birthday, dear
But what about me?
Maple. Happy birthday to you.
Can I do it too?
How old are you?
3.
How old were you yesterday?
2.
How old are you today?
3.
How old are you tomorrow?
Oh.
Yay, happy birthday, Maple. How old is Olive?
1.
How old is Lyndon?
4.
How old is Mama?
14. 14. 14. 14.
14?
What is it gonna be? Which one is mine?
This one's for Maple. It's 2. There's a teeny one on top.
What is it, Lyndon?
Take that. It's a ring.
A beautiful ring?
Yeah.
Does it have
Powers.
What is it?
It's upside down. Can I have
It's just them in a
Can
box?
I have a box too?
Right here. This one's yours. Open the box.
Open it. I want to open it by myself.
What's in the box, Maple?
I don't know. Yeah, guess. It's a box. It is.
It is a box. You figured it out.
I got. Oh, ah! Yay! You're the best mom in the world. My heart is melting. Here you go, Papa.
Oh, thanks, Maple. Nom, 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 nom. Where's Olive?
Dada.
Yeah. Where's your nose?
It's your kitchen.
Where's your belly?
Kitchen.
Where's your ears? Where's your eyes?
It's gonna be so.
Where's your mouth? Where's your neck?
Let's do it right now.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Maple. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Now you make a wish, and then you blow.
Yay!
I think Maple might be a painter.
Can I have a bite of your chocolate? Yes. Do you want another bite? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, what's this?
The sun.
How many galaxies are there?
1, 2, 3.
How many?
1 to 5 starts at 9. That's the Milky Way.
Yeah, it is the Milky Way. Did you read that?
Yeah. You can't go in that outside.
In the outside?
No, that outside.
That outside? We can go in that outside.
No, I can't.
Why not?
Because that is a nothing ocean.
It's a nothing ocean?
Yeah.
Oh. At the center of the Milky Way galaxy, there is a black hole. Black holes are invisible. They cannot be seen. A black hole is an area of space with gravity so strong that nothing can escape.
Mars.
Mars. What's that one? The big one.
Jupiter.
It has a big...
Red spot.
Yeah. What planet's that one?
Saturn.
It has
A ring.
a ring. What planet is that one? Its name is
Uranus.
What's that one?
Neptune.
Neptune.
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mom, did you know? Emma, did you know?
It's too hot. Don't touch the sun. It's too hot.